Naija people don bring ogbonge Bishop news story. My name na Nehi. The Nigerian National Petroleum Company wey be NNPC don come increase fuel pump price by 15% for inside Abuja. They dey sell am 1,030 naira per litre, while for inside Lagos they dey sell am 998 naira per litre. But before wetin they dey sell am na 897 naira per litre. And this one come make am the second time wey they don increase the fuel pump price just within 2 months. The ogbonge activist and also lawyer wey be Deji Adeyoju don come dey ask Nigerians a question as im come dey talk say now fuel na 1,030 naira per litre and nobody wan chase clout to come out to come do inaugural protest. Everybody dey wait for everyone to start the inaugural protest. The former minister and also the former Rivers State governor wey be Chibike Amechi don come out to come talk say wetin happen for inside Edo State election, say people suppose not to keep quiet as im come dey talk say the current hunger rate and suffering wey dey happen for inside Nigeria, say people suppose to dey vex to boss come out enter inside street to do inaugural protest say because the suffering don too much for inside Nigeria. And he yarn this talk on top one interview wey be say dem dey interview am.
You can't see a group of people stealing your money, impoverishing you. You can't buy fuel, you can't buy anything, nothing. And then you're saying, look at what happened in Edo. Should any politician be campaigning in Edo? The people should be angry. There should be protest, not even protest of against anybody, it's against politicians. We will not vote. There will be an election in our state. That's what the people should be saying. Because the rate of hunger now, if people like us can't afford diesel, you can imagine what's happening.
One South African Calabar police constable wey name be Gregory Nene, 44 years old, they don sentence am to 25 years imprisonment after when he kpai im wife wey be Tobacco Nene, 40 years old, and he kpai am on 22nd of July 2022, while they come jail am on Tuesday wey be October 8, 2024. The Katsina Calabar police command don come arrest 24 years old man wey name be Usman Mohammed Iyab, say because him for snack pickles of 16 years old girl come throw the girl put for inside well for Katsina local government area of Katsina state. And on Tuesday will be October 8, 2024, now Calabar police come out come yarn this story. This Nigerian man don come jejely respect himself as him go buy new car, one small motor like that wey be saying talk say to fuel this motor full tank no go cost am anything o. Say but to dey use informal motor dem, say to fuel dem, say go chop am money well. Say na make I come jejely go buy this small car wey be say the full tank no go cost am anything. The Minister of Works wey be Dave Umahi don come dey yarn say the first section of Calabar Lagos Coastal Highway say they go complete am by May 29, 2025. After that time, they come put toll gates wey go last 5 to 10 years. Make they use am, they recover all the money wey they use to construct that road. Plenty passengers they don come dey thank God after wey trailer wey carry full load come fall come rest on top one bus wey be say they enter, but nobody kpai or wunjure for inside the bus. And this gbege happen for inside Delta State for Asaba.
See miracle. This is big testimony. Driver know that nobody died.
The Joint Tax Board don come approve say they go increase the price wey be say Nigerians they go dey pay for national driver license and also for vehicle number plate. As they come dey talk say na for November 1st, 2024, na the price go start. As they talk say the price for driver license go be 15,000 naira for 3 years, while 21,000 naira for 5 years. Plenty queue don come dey for inside NNPC filling station and other filling stations them for inside Abuja and Lagos State, say because of the increase of fuel pump price wey NNPC just increase as they come dey complain. Say like this now, say transportation money to work and also to different business places them go come high well now. The Kano State Calabar Police Command don arrest 22 years old man wey be Aliyu Adamu, say because him kpai him childhood friends wey be also him business partner wey him name be Dahiru Musa. As him come out come dey talk say why him kpai him friend wey be Dahiru Musa, say because him wan collect him landlord property and also the document of those land dem. Dis Nigeria lady wey her name be Stella don come accuse Burna Boy say she be get belle for Burna Boy wey be Nigeria ogbonge singer. Meanwhile, Burna Boy mama come force her to remove the belle during wey be say she with Burna Boy dey date for about 3 years. But Burna Boy don come out come write on top her social media come dey talk say dis girl na Okpo Miliki girl and wetin him pay her that year wey two of dem take knack kpekus na 20,000 naira na him pay her. Dis woman wey her name be Yvonne Cannon Wells don come out come surprise the whole world after wey she fly plane wey her husband wey be pilot wey him name be Elliot Alper dey fly as the man come get heart attack wey make the woman come enter for the plane side dey come dey fly the plane come land am jejely come later come rush her husband take go hospital as her husband come kpai for inside the hospital at 48 years old. As plenty airport officials don come dey hail the woman say dis one shocktalize herself because dem never see dis kind thing o. Person wey be say she no be pilot come fly plane jejely come land am well. Yes, na Bishop News O'Clock. My name na Nehi. Make una enjoy una day.